This tutorial explains how students can share their screen with the teacher or their peers during a live Teams meeting. A tutorial for students is also embedded in this recording for teachers to review. Whether you are working with students one-to-one in a small group setting or have them together in small groups in breakout rooms, an important skill you need to teach them is how to use the share screen option. When an adult shares their screen in Microsoft Teams meetings, it looks something like this. Teachers can share a whiteboard app from their Teams meeting, but students do not have that option automatically built in at this point. However, they can share their screen and then open a whiteboard app like the ones we have in our app catalog, like Doceri or my favorite, Explain EDU. Steps for how to screen share in a student's iPad are different from what the teacher experiences, but I have created a separate tutorial that students can use to learn how to do this. The video has been saved to our APS Microsoft Stream account and can be viewed, shared, and downloaded by going to tinyurl.com/msteamshare, all lowercase letters. If students view this 2-minute tutorial in Stream, they will also see a transcript beside the video of the directions. The student apps that I used for this tutorial were Microsoft Teams and Explain Everything EDU. Here is the student-facing tutorial on screen sharing during a live Teams meeting. This tutorial will quickly show you how to share your screen with your teacher or other students during a Microsoft Teams meeting. First, open the Teams app. Make sure you have clicked on the Teams icon at the bottom of the window. Choose the team you'll be meeting with. Your teacher might have created breakout rooms, which are channels added to your class team. If you have access to meetings in breakout rooms, they will appear underneath the general meeting. You will join the appropriate meeting according to the directions your teacher has given you. I'm going to join the Gryffindor breakout room. I would do that by clicking the blue Join button. For purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to turn my camera off, but you might need to leave yours on. Then click the Join Now button. Now click the 3 dots in your toolbar, sometimes called the kebab. Then click Share. Click Share Screen, and when you're ready, click Start Broadcast. Now everyone in your meeting will be able to see what is on your screen. Open the app that you would like to share, and you're all set to share your work with others. You can work on projects that you've already started, or you can begin a new one. To leave the screen, simply click your home button one time. Then you would open up the Teams app again. Click Stop Broadcast. Tap your screen 2 times, and that should take you back to the main meeting window. By following these steps on your iPad, you can easily share your work with others, no matter where your learning takes place.